welcome to LearnCity. My name is Praise, and in today's class we'll be solving examples on probability. So our first example today is a bag contains 3 black balls and 2 white balls. We have 3 white balls and 2 white balls. A ball is taken from the bag and then replaced. Then a second ball is chosen. What is the probability that they are both white? The second probability that one is black and one is white. Then at least one is black. And we have at most is black. Now we have 3 black balls and 2 white balls. So we have 5 balls in total. When a ball is taken from the bag and then replaced, we have 1/5. This is replaced. Then the second ball is chosen. We also have 1/5. Now, to represent this, the possible ways of selecting these balls will be shown on a tree diagram. It will be shown on a tree diagram, which will make our work much more easier. So representing it on the block diagram, we have 5 balls here. So we have 5 balls, then we have black and we have white. So here we have, this is 3/5 and here is 2/5. So these are the 3 black balls and these are the 2 white balls. So here we have it to be black, we have it to be 3/5. So here it can either be black, black. When we have black and white, it can either be 2/5. So for white again, we can have here to be 3/5, 2/5. Where we have B, which is white, black, and white, which is white, white. Now, for the first one, which says they are both white balls. They are both white balls. Probability of them being both white balls. Probability of them being both white balls will now be 2/5 times 2/5. This will now be 4/25. So we have it to be 4/25. Now, probability that one is black and one is white. Probability that one is black and one is white. So probability that one is black is 3/5. And probability that one is white is 2/5. Is 2/5. Which gives us either of the two, which is 2/5. So probability of having white, black, which is P of UB, is now 3/5 times 2/5. So we have this to be 6/25. We have it to be 6 over 25. Now the probability that one is black and one is white, probability that one is black and one is white is 6 over 25. So we can easily do it as 6 over 25 plus 6 over 25. So we have it to be 25. This is 6 plus 6 will now be 12 over 25. So we have it to be 12 over 25. So the third one, which says at least one is black. At least one is black. So at least one is black. We will now have it to be 1 minus P of white. So at least one is black will now be 1 minus probability of 2 white. And we know that the 2 white is 4 over 25. So this will now be 1 minus 2 over 5 times 2 over 5. So we have this to be 1 minus 4 over 25. Then we have this to be 25. This is 25 minus 24. So we have this to be 21 over 20. 21 over 25. So for the last one, which says at most one is black. At most one is black, which means either one is black or none is black. So probability of either one is black will now be 3 over 5 times 2 over 5. Obviously 3 over 5 times 2 over 5. So we have this to be 6 over 25. In two places, it will now be 12 over 25. Probability that one is black that we solved earlier will now be plus 6, will now be 12 over 25. So probability that none is black, probability that none is black, it is 4 over 25, which means that is white. So probability that most one is black will now be 12 over 25 plus 4 over 25. So here we have it to be 16 over 25. Now, moving to the next example, we have if 3 cats are choosing from a pack without replacement. If 3 cats are choosing from a pack without replacement, what is the probability of getting at least 2 spades? At least 2 spades. And the probability of getting at most 2 spades. Now, where we have this, it is quite technical. Where we have 3 cards from a pack. We have 3 cards from a pack. Now, in a pack of cards, we usually have 52 in a pack of cards. There are always 52 in a pack of cards. So in a pack of cards, we have 52 cards. Now, drawing our tree diagram to represent it is a spade and it is not a spade. So the first one here, we draw our tree diagram. We have 13 over 52. We have 39 over 52. So the probability of it being a spade is 13 and probability of not being a spade is 39. So for S is representing as a spade and for N is representing not a spade. So in a total pack of cards for the spades, we have 13. Now drawing the tree diagram, when we are picking out of it, will to be replaced. When we pick one spade, then we have 12 over 51. When one spade is being taken, so here we have 39 over 51. Now, for not a spade, here will now be 38 over 51. And here will still be 13 over 51. When we pick one that is a spade and one that is not a spade without replacement. So continuing further, so for the first one we have S, N, S, N, S, N, S, and N. So removing from this, we will now have 11 over 50. Then this will still be 39 over 50. For this one, it will be 12 over 50 and it will now be 38 over 50. From N, we have 12 over 50 and here we have 38 over 50. Here we also have 12 over 50 and here we have 38 over 50. And there we now have 37 over 50. And this one will still remain as 13 over 50. So for the first one we have, this is SSS, this is SSN, we have SNS, here we have SNN, here we have NSS, we have NSN, here we have NNS, and here we have NNN. Now this is showing the tree diagram. Now probability of getting at least 2 spades, probability of getting at least 2 spades will now be the probability of getting 2 spades or 3 spades, because probability of getting at least, so it has to be 2 and 3. So probability of getting at least 2 spades, probability of getting at least 2 spades, we now have it to be 13 over 52 times 12 over 51 times 39 over 50 times 13 over 52 times 39 over 51. So we pick this first part, 1, 2, 3, then we pick again 1, 2, 3. So 39/51 times 12/51 times 12/50 times 39/52. Okay, this will be plus 13 times this, then plus again, plus 12/51. (13/52) times 39/51 times 12/51. Okay, times 12/50 to be 4 this time around, plus 39/52 as well, times 13/51 times 12/50. That's the ability of getting 2 spades. So wherever we have double S, double S, double S, we add it together. So we have 39/52 times 13/51 times 12/50. Now, if we are to solve all these together, we are to solve all these 4 things together, we have using table where we have double S, double S, double S, double S. If we check it here, we have it in 4 places where we have SSS, SSN, SNS, and NSS. So we have 39/850 plus 39/850 plus 39/850 plus 117/50. Now, if we solve this, if we break it down, so we will get, okay, for this 3 will be 117/850. For this 3 where it has double S is 3, is now 117/850. Adding 39 plus 39 plus 39 is 117/850. So for 3 spades, we now have it to be, for 3 spades we now have 13/52 plus 12/51 plus 4/15. So we have 13/52 plus 11 plus 12 plus 4/51 and 15. So here we have it to be 850, and here we have 11. When we multiply everything here, so we have 13 times 12 times 4. We have this to be this is 48. So we have 48 times 13. This is This is 8, this is 48, this is 12, this is 16. So here we have 8. So we have 748 over 850. We have 748 over 850. So that is what we, okay, this is 6, this is 4, so this will be 6, this is 6. We have it to be 648 over 850. So the probability of getting at least 2 spades is 117 over 850. So at most where we get at most of 2 spades, we will now have it to be 12 over 50, 13 over 51. So then when we add it together, we'll be getting 117 over 850 plus 11 over 850 plus 128 over 850. So adding everything together, we have 850. So 128 plus 11 is 16. 5. So we have 356 over 850. And this brings us to the end of our class on probability, where we've solved examples on probability, 2 different examples on probability. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and comment, and I'll be seeing you in the next class. Thank you.